If you've always wanted to make games but thought you needed years of training, expensive software, and a huge team, everything just changed. AI tools have made game development accessible to anyone with an idea. I'm going to show you exactly what's possible, what tools exist, and how you can start today, even with zero experience. What is AI game development? AI game development means using artificial intelligence tools to help create games. Instead of learning complex programming languages, you describe what you want in plain English. Instead of hiring artists, AI generates professional characters and environments. Instead of composing music, AI creates original soundtracks. You're still the creative director. AI is your incredibly fast, tireless team member that handles the technical execution. Essential tools. Let's break down the tools by what they do. For creating characters and game art, Leonardo AI and Midjourney are the industry leaders. Both can generate professional quality assets in seconds from text descriptions. For writing game code, ChatGPT and Claude can build entire game systems. You describe the gameplay, and they write working code. For music and sound effects, tools like SoundRaw and Moobert create original audio that matches your game's mood. For 3D models and environments, tools like Scenario and Blockade Labs generate game-ready assets. Most have free tiers to start learning. You don't need to master all of them. Start with one or two and expand. What you can create. What can you actually build with AI assistance? Simple mobile games like puzzle games and endless runners can be created in days. 2D platformers and adventure games are totally achievable for beginners. Visual novels and story-based games are perfect for AI since they rely heavily on writing and art. AI's strengths, even basic 3D games are becoming possible as tools improve. The key is starting simple. Your first game should be something you can finish in a weekend. A working, simple game beats an abandoned, ambitious project every time. Think about classic games that were simple but fun. Those are perfect AI-assisted projects. Getting started. Here's your actual first steps. 1. Pick a simple game idea, something like collecting objects, avoiding obstacles, or solving puzzles. 2. Sign up for free accounts on ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. These two tools alone can create 80% of what you need. 3. Describe your game idea to ChatGPT in detail. Ask it to break down what you need. Characters, code, assets, sounds. 4. Use that breakdown as your roadmap. Create each piece one at a time using AI tools. 5. Use free game engines like Godot or tools like Construct that don't require coding. 6. Test constantly. Make something playable quickly, even if it's ugly. 7. Iterate. Use AI to improve and expand once the basics work. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to create everything at once. Build one feature, test it, then add the next. Common mistakes. Let's talk about what not to do. Don't start with a massive, ambitious game. Don't assume AI will do everything perfectly on the first try. You'll need to iterate and refine. Don't ignore learning basic game design concepts. AI builds what you describe, so you need to know what makes games fun. Don't use AI-generated content without checking the terms of service for commercial use. Don't give up after your first attempt doesn't go perfectly. Every successful indie developer has a folder of abandoned, failed projects. That's part of the process. Next steps. Here's your homework. This week, create one simple character using AI. Just one. Get comfortable with the process of prompting and refining. Next week, describe a simple game mechanic to ChatGPT and ask it to explain how it would work. You're building confidence and understanding. In a month, you should be working on a complete simple game prototype. The AI game development community is growing fast. Join Discord servers, follow YouTube channels focused on this, share your progress. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The question isn't whether you can make a game, it's whether you'll start. I'll be posting more tutorials on specific tools and techniques. Subscribe so you don't miss them. Now stop watching and start creating.